So here we're doing an open box on this storage for an organizer for a Ford F-150. Here is the manual instructions to set it up. Fairly easy to do, only requires 6 different steps. You will get the silicone anti-slip pad that goes along with it. I'm gonna figure out where the, so pull this out. Here is the strip for it. And you have, and then look on the back, it has these little groove locking features. Another piece, and that is just when you assemble it to put them on. And then the main big piece is right here. Here's the back. Shiny, very able to not slide around, very sticky, very bendable and durable. And then here is the cup holder, the organizer right here. All the slots, looks like there's a little change slot. If you get any change here and there, cup holder, another little tray spot, and 2 more as well. So you can organize it however you'd like. Here's the back of it. And these are the locking grooves that it's gonna sit into for the headrest. So this goes in the middle of the seat of the, like a Ford pickup truck. You're going to, when you have that third spot, when it lays down kind of in the middle between the driver's seat and the passenger seat, this is where it's gonna connect to. So it has those locking mechanisms right here. And then you're gonna put all of these pieces just right in here, and you will see how they fit. Very easy. They're getting stuck to each other, but you just set them right in. This is for the cup, so you're just gonna set that right in. And you put the kind of shiny part down. That side goes down, and then the side face up. And those other grooves I was telling you about, like kind of like a locking groove, that's for like different size cups. So if you have a different size water bottle, or a different, like a can versus a water bottle, different sizes, that will help with it. Those little other grips in there to try to lock it into place so it won't tip or fall over. And then this one will go right here. And I will get this all set up, and then we will go install it. So it all goes like that. Pretty simple and easy to do. I didn't even need to follow the instructions, but the instructions are there if you need it. The last thing is going to be this. So you're gonna replace this, the headrest part, you're gonna pull that out and you're gonna put this in. It is pretty heavy and a little bit slippery there. And here is the lock on it. So it will click into place where the other one was. And then that's all you're gonna get with it. So we're gonna go install it and put it together. And thanks for the company for sending me this to check out and review.